Psychology says giving birth is the second most painful thing a human can experience. The first is being burnt alive. Psychology says drinking half a glass of water before bed and half a glass of water when waking up can serve as psychology due to remembering all of your dreams. Psychology says if you succeed in cheating someone, don't think that person is a fool. Realize that the person trusted you more than you deserved. Psychology says people who meet online tend to get married much faster than those who meet in real life. Health tip: applying cold milk under eyes before going to sleep every night removes dark circles and reduces eye wrinkles. Psychology says intelligent people tend to be messy and stay awake till late simply because they have no time for the silly things. Psychology says someday gap is very necessary in a relationship so both the partners can realize and appreciate the value of each other's presence. Psychology says pure love when you smile because of someone it's special feeling but when you cry for someone it's love. Psychology says if a person cries on little thing he is innocent and soft hearted. Psychology says most people don't care about your life, they only pretend to be, hoping for the juicy gossips you can give them. Psychology says if you don't control your emotions it will manipulate against you. You got to train your mind to be stronger than your feelings or else you will lose every single time. Psychology says people who look the color black have the most colorful mind. Psychology says skipping meal can cause your body to go into a fat storing starvation mode, making it harder to burn calories. Psychology says long distance relationship or friendship are good, but missing your long distance partner is a different type of sadness. Health tip: eating oranges daily can help get rid of pain during periods. It can also reduce cramps and improve happy mood during periods. Psychology says the men regularly mistakes woman friendly behavior with flirting. Psychology says moving on after a breakup is similar to ending an addiction. Psychology says when you are ignored by the person whose attention means the most to you, the reaction in your brain will be similar to the physical pain. Psychology says sleeping next to the loved one can help you fall asleep faster and reduce the symptoms of depression. Psychology says men that grow up with a sister make happier and better husband, more emotionally mature and happier. Psychology says women can smell if a man is single. Psychology says women are attracted to the happy people. Male is psychologically attracted to the smile of a girl. Psychology says best friends are like mirror and shadow. Mirror don't lie and shadow never leave. Psychology says you're more likely to find your true love on internet than through personal contact. Psychology says smile have been proven to be more attractive on a woman's face than makeup. Health tip: apply regularly a mixture of sugar, honey and coconut oil to the lips every night will lighten lips and make it smooth. Psychology says we may become angry and blame others for what has happened, even though it is not their fault. It is called as displaced anger. Psychology says a beautiful dress can change the personality, but a beautiful behavior can change the life. Psychology says doctor advised to take a regular break from wearing a bra to allow your skin to breathe. It helps to improve the blood circulation, reduce the skin allergy, and promote overall breast health. Health tip: add 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel in warm water and have a steam on your face. It helps in acne-free and soft skin. Psychology says flirting is an effective way of reducing loneliness, depression, and relieving stress. Psychology says loving someone without meeting him or her every day is a proof that love is not in front of the eyes but in the ear. Psychology says couples who tease each other gently have happier and a stronger relationship. Psychology says women can read the facial expressions better than men. Psychology says skipping breakfast and dinner increases the risk of heart attack. Psychology says only 25 people are known to have a hyperthymesia. a condition that allows them to remember every detail of their lives. Psychology says cute people are actually talkative around the right people. Psychology says tears don't come when you miss a person, but they come when you don't want to miss a person. Psychology says your body has enough fat to produce even 7 bar of soap. Psychology says your body is only 11 months old. Almost every cell in your physical body is replaced every 11th month, except of your brain cell, which are replaced after 7 years. Psychology says tea drinkers are more likely to be in a relationship than people who drink coffee. Psychology says spending at least 60 minutes in a conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. Psychology says smoking a cigarette begins to cause genetic damage in a minute, not years. Psychology says a study found 70% of the girls during teen wants more attention from guys, whereas when a girl matures, her first priority is to be respected. Psychology says chocolate milk is more effective at giving energy than most energy drink. Psychology says the person who brings out the best in you and makes you stronger is actually a weakness. Health tip: women should consume gooseberry jam to meet the iron deficiency caused by the periods. Psychology says most people who hug and blush a lot have a very childlike heart and very trustable people. Psychology says women who consume fish in their pregnancy have smarter kids. Health tip: to achieve glowing eyes, apply a mixture of honey and rose water to your eyelid for its natural brightening effect. Get enough sleep and stay hydrated to prevent the dark circles.